What up, y'all? Good morning. Today we're on our way to pick up the first load of sand and bring it to Jamaica, Queens. From there we're gonna pick up a load at College Point, Queens, bring it back to Brooklyn, and then we're gonna stay in Brooklyn all day. Starting early. Like my man, if it's not your time to go in, don't try to go in yet and block the street. You feel me? Picked up the load of sand. I'm in Jamaica, local street. Just got off the highway. A few minutes away from the plant. Back up this way. Dump that load. Now we going to College Point to grab a load of stone and then take that to Brooklyn, and then we'll stay in Brooklyn for the rest of the day. It's gonna be, look at this right here. I gotta come out, but it's gonna be a tight squeeze. morning, 13243 BR 57 Yo, ¿qué lo que? I was at the dump site. When I went to go dump, I had to sit there for, I want to say about 20 minutes to a half hour, because that truck was having a hard time backing up there because he was getting stuck. So that delayed me a little bit. And now I'm on my way to go and, you know, get this load of either sand or stone and just keep going back and forth. But yeah, that truck was there for a minute. Stuck. They had to pull him, as you've seen, with a chain. First they pushed him, then they pulled him. You know, so a little delay, but we're still here. I'm about to show y'all what happened to my bumper yesterday. Brand new bumper, just installed it in February, I believe. January, February. Watch. So I was reversing over here. Right along there, because I couldn't get by because there was a tanker over here on this side. So in order to make the turn, I had to back up, you know, hook left a little bit so I could make this turn here without hitting the tanker. But as I was backing up, I scraped my bumper against the mafia block there, and it pulled my bumper out. I think that's the mark right there. I was so pissed off, bro, because had the tanker been in a good position where he should be, I would have never had that issue. Like right now, you see, like right now I'm good. Turned in one shot. The tanker was just too much to the side. So that caused me to hit my bumper. So it was popping out. So what I ended up doing was I just went against one of those mafia blocks, and I lightly pushed up against the mafia block with my bumper, and it bent it back into place. But it still has like that crease in it, like that little minor bend that you can see, and it bothers me. Brand new bumper, man. It is what it is, man. These are the things that happen. I ain't gonna be changing it. If I have to change my bumper every time I hit it, I'll be spending thousands of dollars. That bumper right there was $1,100. Just minor things that happen, and you gotta live with it. It sucks. Right now it's 1:10 p.m. I'm about to pick up my 7th load. Around this time, honestly, on a good day, I would already have like 11 loads at the time that I started. You feel me? But it's just moving kind of slow today with traffic and just a bunch of regular shit. Waiting at the plant, which I don't mind because this is my favorite route. If I do this every day, I'm good. Like, it don't matter as long as I'm local. So I don't mind a little bit of waiting here and there. I mean? The plant is really busy today, so we had trouble with that tanker earlier that couldn't back up, so that took up like 30 minutes. Then we had some trucks that were loading washout, and they were in the way. They were blocking us from dumping, so that took a little bit of time. But other than that, you know, like I always say, it is what it is. Picking up 7, hopefully finish with like 9 maybe. You know what I mean? I'll probably be able to do 2 more after this and call it a day, you feel me? Kind of been a long day today. Waiting around, got load number 8 right now. It's a huge line. Like I'm literally 3 blocks away from the plant right now. There's a line of dump trailers right outside the plant for a total of 3 blocks. Watch, I'm gonna show you guys. Line goes all the way down there, and I'm all the way back here. Damn, this bumper's bothering me. Oh man, I want to change it so bad, but I'll just wait for it to get more messed up, because I know it's gonna happen again. You know what I mean? Just gonna stay out here, stretch, do some push-ups, you know what I mean? While I wait. Started at 4 a.m. It's about to be 3 p.m. You know what I mean? Let's throw something to Gabe when he passes by. You're lucky. The compadre right there. Ah. Dumping my last load now. This plant is really busy today. Really busy today. As you can see, the material's empty. The sand is like halfway. The sand bin is halfway, but it's extremely busy, and you know, it's been a long day. We got so many trucks coming. There was over 4,000 yards here today. You know, 4,000 yards, that's over 400 loaded cement trucks, or maybe even more, coming out of here. And this is the material, right, that they use to make the cement, you know, to mix the cement with. So yeah, you know, it's been a long day. We still got trucks waiting to dump. Those are the trucks that are waiting. The spot where we pick up the material, they close at 4. Right now it's 3:58. So I'm gonna finish the day with just 8 loads today. A lot of backups today. Like there was a lot of waiting and stuff like that. But like I said, I don't mind. I'd rather do this than go to Long Island or go upstate. You know, it still was a good day. You know what I mean? So can't complain. But yeah, it's extremely busy. So it's gonna stay empty for tomorrow. So let's see if there's gonna be work for me here tomorrow. And they still working. The payloader is still putting material into the hopper. You know what I mean? They still working. So by the time they're done, the bins are probably gonna be close to empty, if not empty. Which means that they're gonna need a lot of loads for tomorrow, because I'm sure they're gonna be busy tomorrow as well. So hopefully we can get some local work tomorrow too. By local, I mean in Brooklyn, in my neighborhood. It's all local at the end of the day, but I call local my neighborhood, you know what I mean? This is my neighborhood. I can literally park my truck and walk home. I mean, there isn't really much today to show you guys. There's a lot of waiting around and stuff like that. I ran 8 loads back and forth, Long Island City to Brooklyn, 10-15 minute wait back and forth, you know what I mean? On a day like today where I actually started just before 4 o'clock, 4 a.m. I think it was like 3:30, I'm not sure. But usually, if I start at that time, and end at this time, I'll usually be able to do 13 loads. So that's a 5 load difference. And then this morning there was an accident also on the highway. On the way back from Jamaica to go get my second load at College Point, there was an accident and there was a bunch of traffic there, so that held me back. There was a bunch of little things today that held us back, which is why we didn't get to do that many loads. You know what I mean? It is what it is. Stay positive at all times, you know what I mean? And that was my day today, you feel me? If you like my content and you want more, show some love, you feel me? Like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification button so that you can get alerted when I post a new video. And if you like this hat, Heavy Haulers, you feel me? Follow at Heavy Haulers _ on IG to place an order. Thanks again for watching.